Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about two chemicals, specifically lacquer thinner and acetone, and the difference between the two. Now, there are some similarities between the products. They both contain acetone. Acetone, of course, is 100% acetone. It's quick drying. It's a great solvent remover. It's great to use on like fiberglass, if you needed to clean scuffs off of a boat or something like that. Quite frankly, this is what's in your nail polish remover if you're someone that wears nail polish. But it has buffers in it, so it isn't as strong. Highly flammable, so you want to make sure that you're paying attention to the instructions on the back of the bottle. And if you're using it, protect your hands. It's good to wear a respirator and protect your eyes as well. Very good product. Now, Lacquer Thinner, as I mentioned, does have acetone in it, but it has other chemicals in there, and that makeup means that it's really specific for thinning lacquer, and you can use it to take the milkiness or blushing off of a lacquer finish. If you have a cabinet or a piece of furniture that has lacquer on it, you can use a rag with this and apply it, and if you've got that milkiness on there, it can take that away. It really does a nice job. Because it has other chemicals in it, it's a slower drying chemical. As I mentioned, acetone dries very quickly. Just remember that one product doesn't replace the other. They do have attributes that are similar, but again, lacquer thinner, designed specifically to thin lacquer, acetone, more of a general purpose chemical that can be used on a variety of different projects that you have. Always follow the manufacturer's recommended usage of the product and make sure that you're using them in well-ventilated areas. Coming up next, my video on paint thinner.